Hi friends, in this video let us solve network theory related question asked in GATE 2015 ECE paper. The question is, in the circuit shown, the Norton equivalent resistance in ohm across terminals A, B is dash. So they ask Norton equivalent resistance. So we have to find R Norton. R Norton is nothing but Thevenin's equivalent resistance. So how we will find Thevenin's equivalent resistance? Whenever we want to find Thevenin's equivalent resistance, we have to remove the source. But here it is a dependent source, we cannot remove. We can remove only the independent source. So across AB only we have to find. So it is AB. So here only we have to find R Norton. Okay, how can we find? So if you want to find R Norton here, since the circuit has only dependent source, what we have to do is we have to put one test source. Right? It may be a voltage source or current source. I put current source here, current source of 1 ampere, right? And I find what is the voltage across this terminal. Find, so V, this plus minus. I find what is the voltage across this terminal. Okay, so what is R Norton? That is given by V by I. V that I have to find, I is 1 ampere. So that is equal to V. Okay, that is what my R Norton. In this way only we can find. Suppose if you use a voltage source, then you find current. R is equal to 1 by current. That's what R. If you use current voltage source, it is V is 1 volt. Current you will find, that is your R Norton. Okay, since I have used a current source V by I, I have to find 1 ampere, so that is equal to V. So if I find V, that will be giving R Norton. Okay, so let us assume, since this voltage is V, I assume voltage across this AB is V. So this is V, this is V. So I apply KCL and write nodal equation, nodal analysis. So at this node, I write node equation. So it is V minus 4I for this branch divided by 2. Next for this branch, it is V by 2. Next for this branch, it is V by 4 equal to 0. Right? Okay. Next, I don't know about this I, but from here I can find what is I. I is equal to current flowing through this terminal. So I is nothing but this is V, voltage across this terminal is V, R is 4. So I is equal to V by 4. So I is equal to V by 4. Right? This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. If I substitute this I is equal to V by 4, 4 into 1 by 4, 4 cancel, this is V minus V, so this part will be 0. So this half V plus quarter V, it is 3 by 4 V, right? Okay, sorry, I missed one current here. Here the current comes, incoming current is I. So it is minus I. Please include that. So it is minus I is equal to 0. So I is equal to, okay, so this current is 1 ampere, not I, it is 1 ampere. Okay. So this is minus 1. Fine. So minus 1. Okay, 3 by, this is equal to 0. So V is equal to 1 into 4 by 3. So it is 1.33. Right? So V is equal to 1.33. I told what is my Rn? Rn is nothing but V. So R Norton is equal to 1.33 ohm. Right? So the answer is R Norton must be equal to 1.33 ohm. Thank you.